Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low points and then where the price ultimately closed up there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price certainly did, no doubt about it, make a very nice move to the upside direction. But that also leads to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 39.50. Why is 39.50 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, let's think about and consider this potential scenario. And I'm not saying this will happen, but what happens if the price did pull back here, but after it got down to 39.50, just kept on going? What would you have in this situation? Well, you would literally have the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas let's say that in another scenario, sure, the price pulls back, but in this scenario, the price behaves like this and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you now have in this situation? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you still have overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as $39.50. On the flip side of things, where are these levels of resistance at? Right now, the key level of resistance is all about that pink line right there. So it's no coincidence at all that that is where and why the price is struggling. And that pink line just on my chart denotes the famous 200 period moving average. You can see right there the price has been rejected from there. So I'm not saying that the price can't break above that area or anything like that. My point is that there's quite the track record here of that acting as resistance. So it makes sense why the price and why that area is once again acting as resistance. But all in all, any way you look at it, great bounce today. And now going forward, it's definitely a question of, can the price build upon this momentum? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.